G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In tonight's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create this design in Canva. So this is one that I created earlier and posted up to Facebook. So don't forget to jump onto the Facebook group Fun with Canva and check it out. So we're going to do some text. We're going to add an image, do a reflection. We'll add some flare and we'll add a light behind the girl. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to use the images that I've downloaded. And the first one is the woman in green spaghetti strap dress. Okay, so the background for this firstly is this color. So that hex code. All right, so we'll come over here to elements. We'll grab this lady and we'll first remove the background. So once we've removed the background, we'll position this lady over here to the right hand side. We'll come up here to duplicate, we'll duplicate and we'll place directly over the top, and then we'll flip it, flip vertically, and we'll drag. It's as simple as that. And then what I did is just tilt it and line it up with the underside like so, like so. All right, and then I drop the transparency down to 20. All right, so there you have the first thing. Then what we do is we want to put the text in. So I'm simply just going to borrow this text. So the text is Anton, it's 285, and the hex code is that one there. All right, so I'm going to copy this, bring it over to here, and simply paste it there. All right, and I'll do the same for the other text. So that one, Canva Sans 56.2, actually didn't change that one. Copy, bring it over here, paste, and I'll do the same for this text up here. So this is Canva Sans 24.4. Alright, and the hex code for that one, sorry, is this. Okay, so we'll just copy that. And we'll come over here and we'll paste it as such. Then what we want is we want the flares, or we want the light. So I use this light, white light, okay? And all these elements are free elements as well. That was the purpose of making this design, is to show you that you can make a pretty decent design in Canva using free elements. So we place it, oh, we want to copy that, sorry. All right, delete that one. Come over here and we want to bring that into here. So with free elements you can create some pretty awesome designs. So we'll put that there, go to layers, show layers, and we'll drag that down behind the lady as such. And then you can just position it wherever you want. Alright, and then what we did is we came over and we grabbed the flares. Alright, so we're going to elements and look at the flares and blurred bokeh effect. Alright, so I'm going to use the ones that are in here because I've done something to them. So I'm just going to highlight both of those and copy those and bring them over and paste them there. And we'll go, yep, layers, and we'll bring them, drag them down and position them behind the lady as such. Okay, and then what we did is I created a background. So the way I created the background was basically just bring in a square, shrink it down to a thin line, and then I place lines horizontally and vertically, and I place it against the background of this color. Okay, that hex code there. And then what I did is basically just save the design, upload it into Canva, and then position each behind the crisscross frames. And that's how I got that. Then I downloaded that, uploaded it, and that's how I was able to get the look of the frame behind. So I just enlarge that out like so. Then right click, layers, show layers, drag that down behind the light, and just reduce the transparency down to 5, I think it was, like so. Alright, so there you have it. There is the clothing warehouse fashion shoes accessory lady with a bit of a background and reflection, and so forth and so on. So thank you very much for watching the tutorial. Hope you have learned something there. I certainly have enjoyed doing this tutorial and these fashion posts. Don't forget to jump onto my YouTube channel, Fun with Canva, subscribe, like, share, press the notification button, and I hope you learned something from it. Give some feedback, drop some comments, and until next time, have fun with Canva.